Hello to all the amazing viewers out there. Welcome to a journey where knowledge meets opportunity. Today, we're diving into the world of cryptocurrency trading with a focus on the MEXC Referral ID system. If you're new to MEXC or looking to deepen your experience with this dynamic and fast-growing crypto exchange, then stay with us. We'll explore why using the right referral code can significantly enhance your trading and investment activities. MEXC is known for its extensive selection of cryptocurrencies, low fees, and a user-friendly interface. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a beginner, MEXC has something for everyone. Now, let's talk about leveraging that MEXC referral ID to your advantage. When you use a referral code, you not only get a sign-up bonus, but you also open doors to several benefits. Trading rewards. Gain extra points or rewards on your first transaction. Bonus cryptocurrencies. Receive additional free crypto for signing up. Discounted fees. Enjoy lower trading fees for a period. VIP status. Potentially unlock VIP levels with exclusive benefits. Imagine enhancing your trading journey with these perks simply by entering the MEXC referral ID during registration. And here's where you'll want to note down the following. Use the referral code 12K4M5 when you sign up on MEXC. That's right. With the referral code 12K4M5, you're not just joining MEXC, you're optimizing your crypto trading experience from the get-go. Here's your ticket to those exclusive benefits. Reduced trading fees. Start saving from your very first trade. Exclusive promotions. Be the first to access time-sensitive offers. Additional rewards. Earn more as you refer friends to join. Remember, to unlock all these awesome benefits, simply sign up with MEXC and enter referral code 12K4M5 when asked for one. This is your chance to join a community of traders where every trade counts and your journey in the world of cryptocurrency becomes even more rewarding. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to MEXC, sign up with referral code 12K4M5, and take the first step towards a lucrative crypto trading experience. Happy trading, and don't forget, when you share this code with friends, you're also sharing the wealth of opportunities. Don't delay, secure your benefits today. And until our next exploration, remember, knowledge and referrals are the keys to unlocking your maximum potential.